I love you, Mummy. I love you, Daddy. These words don't come very easily to me. And from conversations I've had, they don't come very easily to many people from my generation or beyond. But that may be very different for people from the generations after mine. I often hear young children yell out, I love you, Mommy, or Daddy, or Nana, or Papa, or whoever they are talking to. On the other hand, I also hear grandparents and parents saying this so often to their little ones, and I can almost sometimes sense them putting in the effort into saying it. But let me go back to the example of me and many people from my generation. I didn't hear a lot of those words being said, except maybe in romantic stories and books. I don't even recall saying those words a lot, except maybe each time I fell in love with someone. Yet, I grew up always feeling loved. And no matter how less I said those words, the people I loved, they always knew that I loved them, even regardless of them loving me back. And vice versa. I knew love when I came across it, even if I didn't love them back. And I think for me, love was always meant to be an expression, a verb, not a noun. And not just a Hallmark greeting card or romantic movie climax statement. Love itself is the language. More than a declaration by word, it is the feeling every living being can sense. Animals and plants feel love too. And I will even go to the extent of saying that the very land you stand on can feel it too. It may be a slightly longer way to say this, and maybe also a slightly more powerful way to remind ourselves that our actions speak louder than words, and our expressions will always show in our actions. I used love as an example, but we are truly capable of expressing every single emotion we can feel. And if we spend a little effort in quiet reflection, we can easily understand the tons of emotions being expressed to us with every single interaction. The authenticity of your emotions cannot even be camouflaged for too long. They will know. You will know. You've spent all your life expressing yourself and your needs even before you learned the language, because expressions were never limited by words. When it comes to expressing yourselves, words are really the whistles and the bells, the extra effort you make to have your expressions heard. Understanding expressions comes with practice. We might even misinterpret it at times, and that's really the inner work we need to do with ourselves. The practice of recognizing what is being expressed to you, or how you might need to modulate your expressions to your audience. I hope I've been able to express myself about expressions. And if I haven't been clear enough, let me express it with the bells and the whistles we are all a little more familiar with. Practice expressing yourself and practice understanding expressions. It will go a long way in nurturing the healthiest relationships you've ever had. And until then, don't be shy to use the whistles and bells when you feel like you want to. I love you all. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Daddy.